This is the black box experiment. The purpose of this lab is to understand the concept of science. For this lab, what you're going to need is a box with something in it that you do not know. So maybe have a friend or a family member put something in a box and not tell you. So for the black box experiment, what you are going to do is you are going to perform 5 different tests on this box to try to figure out what is in this box. Now your first instinct might be to shake it. Pick it up, you shake it. Now before you shake this box or do anything else to this box, you've already done one experiment without even thinking about it. That's just looking at the box. If I'm looking at this box, I don't know what's in this box. But I can tell you a lot of things that aren't in this box. So for instance, is there a car in this box? Well, I know for a fact it's not because it would not fit in this box. In fact, there are a lot of things that I know would not fit in this box. So without even picking this box up, I already know a lot of things that could not be in this box. Now the second experiment that you're going to perform without really even thinking about it is just picking it up. Now, if I pick this up, well, I still don't know what's in this box, but I can tell you even more things that aren't inside this box. I know that there's not like a big, heavy book in this box because I can feel the weight. I know for a fact that there's not like a filled water bottle in here. This thing isn't filled with gold bricks. I know a lot of things that aren't in this box just by picking it up. So I'm narrowing it down. The first experiment was, well, I can narrow it down. I know that it has to fit within this box, right? A lot of things do not fit in this box, so I've narrowed it down. Then I picked it up. Okay, well now I know about the weight of what's in this box. It's pretty light, right? So now I know about how heavy this item is. So I've narrowed it down even further. I still have no idea what's in this box. There could still be a lot of things that are in this box. Now the next thing I can do is I can shake the box. So now based on shaking the box, I can figure out just about the size of this item, right? So now I can start to narrow it down, right? So now I can shake the box. Now I can like try to figure out the shape by maybe tilting it on this axis, maybe tilting it on this axis, maybe swirling it around like this. Like there are a lot of other things that I can do to this box to try to figure out what's in it. But you should be able to get 5 experiments, especially if the first 2 are just looking at it and picking it up, right? So that's the black box experiment. Now the whole idea behind this lab is, well, how is this a metaphor for science, right? Now think about the process of trying to figure out what was in this box. We didn't try to prove what was in this box. We have a guess. What we did was with every experiment, we were narrowing it down what could not be in this box. And the more experiments we did, the more things that we knew could not be in this box. So try to think about, like, how is this a metaphor for science? Is there a black box for the universe that we could just open up and say, yep, all of our calculations, all of our theories, all of our laws, everything we've come up with science, is that correct? Is there a box that we can open just to figure that out? Does the universe have one? So once again, this is the black box experiment.